Hey friends, welcome to my channel Online Tutor Learning Made Easy. In my previous video, I had shown you how to create token with the help of Laravel Passport. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use these tokens to fetch user details and other needed details. So friends, I'm going to create this package in Vue.js. So friends, here is my Auth.js file. In the same way as I have created, you have to create a component called Auth.js in the packages folder, or wherever you want you can store your file. I have stored this file into packages folder. As you can see, my packages folder, I have stored this auth.js. Now I am going to create methods for storing this token, for destroying this token, for get this token, and for authenticate this token. Here I am going to create these functions. And here in this area I am going to define these four functions, that is getToken, setToken. In fact, first we defined setToken, then getToken, then destroyToken. In this auth.js package, we are going to define four methods. As you can see, setToken, getToken, destroyToken is authenticated. So first of all, we are going to create this function. So friends, here we define so friends, here we store token in our local storage. So in this way, we can store token and expiration in our local storage. So this is the code to retrieve our token stored in local storage. Sorry friends, here I have to make if expiration is less than date dot now yani means current date. If token expiration is less than date dot now means current date, then we should return false since token has been expired. So we need to call need to destroy token here. Since we have not defined the destroy token method, that's why I am commenting here that we are required to destroy token if expiration token expiration is less than current date. Now we are going to define this destroy token method. Now we call this destroyToken method here. And now friends, at last we are going to define isAuthenticated. So friends, in this way we have defined the Auth.js component. So we are almost prepared with our token from token storage to token authentication. As you can see here, and one more thing we have to define here in this auth.js, that is, we want to use all of these functions in our component. So we are going to define so this is all all about the code in Auth.js component. Now we are going to include this Auth.js component in app.js file. Here is my app.js file and I am going to import this component here. My auth.js component is here in packages folder.
Now in the home component, in login method, after getting the response of OAuth token, I'm going to save this token and token expiration here in the Auth.js component. As we have defined in our Auth.js component, setToken method, and I'm going to call this setToken method.
So friends, here with this setToken method, I have stored access token and its expiration in local storage. I'm going to compile my code. Oops, it it is giving me error. Let's see, let's check and see what type of error it's showing. It is showing module not found, error cannot resolve. Let us see, where is my auth.js file. Here is my auth.js file. Okay, oops, again I am going to my app.js. Okay, here is the path, that is packages auth.js, and here we define with the capital A. That's why it is giving error. Now I'm going to correct this, save it, and I'm going to compile it again. Let's see what happened. Now I'm going to compile my code again. Yes, my code has been compiled successfully. Friends, after debugging, I found that I have committed a mistake here. It should be capital S here. As you can see, if I access local storage, then it should be capital S. So I have corrected my code and again compile my code. And going to the browser, then here it is redirecting me to profile page, and you can see in the local storage we have token and expiration, and in our APIs to retrieve the details of the user and other APIs, we will pass this access token in the header. But friends, if we type home here, then you can see we are in the home component, and from here in the browser, if I type profile, then you can see we can access profile without any authentication. So friends, in my next video I'm going to tell you how we can authenticate this profile page so that only the logged in user can view this profile page. Right now here in this application, profile page is accessible with or without login. So friends, here with this video my motive is to clear how we can store our access token in our local storage and redirect it to the profile page. If you find that this video is helpful and clear your doubts, then please subscribe my channel, like my channel. For now, bye bye friends.